so let's see. I'm going to do a little play because today is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. It's hard to paint at this angle. I've got a little heart here. Let's wait for it to dry and then I'm going to show you what I've got. Okay, so this is dry now. Sort of, mostly. So I bought this also for myself for Christmas. I haven't used it on the project yet. I've only tested it once. It's from Crafts & Co. and it's a heat active pen starter kit. And it says that you can use it on paper, leather and wood. We'll test it on wood today. We'll test it on wood today and on paper. And yeah, it says it only takes 1 minute to warm up. It's a USB. I plugged it into my computer next to me. And pen tip of 1.5 millimeters. And you have to wait 1 minute to heat up and start creating. Use foil with shiny side up. Okay, so let's try it. I hope this is dry enough. It comes with these foils, 6 of them. Let's use the gold one. I don't like that they've put tape like this on here. It feels like it's, I don't know, a bit wasteful. See, I've tried it, but let's use this piece. I hope I can remember where my heart is, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I guess it's fine. And here's the pen. That's what it looks like. And then the tip. Okay, where's my heart? Oh shoot. Okay. I'm not sure how hard I'm supposed to press. I'm holding my breath. I suppose it doesn't have to be perfect. And then you just take it off. There it is. That's cute. I'll show you closer. See, it leaves the foil on there. Very nice. Let's write something. That's a bee. Then you remove it and then the foil stays. I mean, it's not perfect. I don't know if it's because I don't know how to use it. Probably. But it's close enough. Oh, I quite like that. A nice little toy to play with. Okay. So this is €9 at Action. I don't know if I said that. I'm gonna check if I can find anywhere else where I can. They also sell it, maybe Amazon. And then definitely something nice to have if you like creating cards or want to put it in your watercolor. I will say that it does leave a little bit of a dent where you press on it. I didn't press that hard, like medium, but it does press a dent, make a dent a bit. It doesn't come off. So I would say it's a good find. Let's test it on this new palette that I got, which is wooden. It has a bit of a shine to it. I don't know if that's gonna do something or what color should I use? Let's use this copper. Or rose gold, whatever you want to call it. See, this tape is quite hard to remove on here. It's the only thing, but I don't think it will prevent me from buying it. It's just, oh, maybe I'm complaining about nothing. Came off. Maybe a leaf. I don't think this is gonna come out great. Just because of the wood grain. I think maybe if you have something that's wooden that doesn't have a grain to it, this will work a bit better, but we'll see. Very basic leaves. It's not bad, but I do think it will be a bit better if you use something that doesn't have a grain, because I did feel the grain beneath this pen. But it came out alright, I think. Oh, I'm impressed. I also bought this one. This little mannequin at Action. He has less of a grain, or she. See, my daughter put her into a ballerina pose. She does ballet. Let's put a heart on her chest. I'm gonna try coloring it in, see what happens. Cute. That's cute. You can see a bit where I've pressed down. But I mean, this is nice. I don't know where I'm going to use it or what I'm going to use it for. But it's nice to have, I think. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. It's a bit of a different video that I normally would post because of my trouble that I had today with my watercolor painting. But if you liked it, like and subscribe, and let me know if you would like me to do some more videos similar to this one. And yeah, I'll see you in the